On Raglan Road of an autumn day I saw her first and knew that her dark hair would weave a snare that I might one day. I saw the danger and I passed along the enchanted way, and I said, let grief be a fallen leaf at the dawning of the day. On Grafton Street in November we tripped lightly along the ledge of a deep ravine where can be seen the true worth of passion's play. And the Queen of Hearts still baking tarts, and I not making hay, for I loved too much, and by such is happiness thrown. I gave her gifts of the mind, I gave her the secret sign that's known to artists who have known the true gods of sound and stone. And with word and tint I did not stint. I gave her poems to say, with her own name there and her own dark hair like clouds over fields of May. On a quiet street where old ghosts meet, I see her pass me now, away from me so hurriedly. My reason must allow that I have loved not as I should, a creature made of clay. For when the angel woos, the clay loses wings at the dawn of day.